Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening this flawless briefcase, and I'm going to use these 3 cards to cover the 3 cards. This Aaron Judge patch number to 150. This Aaron Judge relic, there's a lot of relics on it, number to 18, and this Giancarlo Stanton patch not numbered. So now let's open it. Now I'm going to put these on top of them. Now I'm going to get this out. See? Now, here over the first. A Mike Trout patch. Next. Ooh, a Garrett Cole All-Star Game thing that Topps made. Ooh, an Anthony Rizzo patch. Look how thick this is. That's cool. Number to 36. Only to 36. Ooh, a DJ LeMahieu patch. Ooh, a Gleyber Torres patch. So far, only one was not on the Yankees so far. Now there's another one that's not going to be on it. Ooh, Pete Alonso patch. All of them are patches. CC the Bastion patch. Chapman patch. There's so many patches. Joey Gallo patch number to 48. The Rizzo patch that looked like this should have been number to 48 because it's Anthony Rizzo. His number is 48, right? I guess I'll put this back in. I forgot one card. And last but not least, a Nestor Cortez. Let me check if I missed any again because no. And that was just a Mike Trout. So I guess I'll just put that back inside here. Now, first, I'll do this card. Ooh, an Aaron Judge patch number to 36. 7 of 36. Ooh, a Giancarlo Stanton patch. So far, there's no autographs. I hope the last card is autographed. Ooh, a Jonathan India rookie autograph. Number to only 99. 83 of 99. That's the only autograph we got. But we still did good. So now let me put these back. The key goes here. Here's the key. So now that's it. So now bye guys. Thank you for watching.